welcome back children. I will continue the same chapter in English literature. First open your books. Lesson 1, The Little Duckling. Page number 6. Para number 6. Ducky walked on. She reached a farm. She saw a hen scratching the ground for worms. Cluck, cluck. After meeting the rabbit, Ducky went on and she reached a farm. There she saw a hen, and hen is scratching for worms from the ground. I wish I could scratch for worms. I use my sharp claws to scratch. Do you have sharp claws? Then Ducky told hen that I also had a wish to scratch the worms from the ground, like you. And hen said that do you have a sharp claws? As I am having, then only you can scratch the worms. The hen asked, do you have sharp claws? Ducky looked down at her feet. No, I do not have sharp claws. I cannot scratch for worms. Ducky looked down at his own feet and said, no, I do not have sharp claws. How can I scratch the worms? No, I do not have sharp claws. Ducky walked on. She saw Mama Duck swimming in the pond. I wish I could swim like you. Quack, quack, come in and try. So Ducky further move on and she saw her mother is swimming in the pond, and she said, I also had a wish to swim like you, Mama, as you were swimming in the pond. Quack, quack. Then her mother said, come in and try. Ducky went into the water. She started to swim. Quack, quack, this is fun. My flat feet are so good. Then Ducky went into the water and she started swimming in the water, saying quack, quack. This is the fun for her. She is enjoying the swimming in the pond with her mother and with the flat feet she is having. A sparrow cannot swim. I can. A rabbit cannot swim. I can. A hen cannot swim. I can. I like my feet. Quack, quack. Then Ducky said, a sparrow is a bird, but she can't swim. I can swim. A rabbit cannot swim, but I can swim. A hen cannot swim, but I can swim. So she said, I like my feet that I can swim, quack, quack, with my mother in the pond. So children, and the moral of the lesson is that whatever Ducky is having, she is satisfied in there. She is satisfied with that. Never be dissatisfied what you are not having. Always have satisfaction. Always satisfy yourself what God has given you. Don't compare yourself with others, what others are having. Satisfy what God has given you. Now we will do the exercises. Turn the page. The same chapter, page number 8. Exercise comprehension. Who said these words and to whom? Write their names on the planks. You need strong feet like mine. Sparrow to Ducky. I wish I could hop like you. Who said this? Ducky to Rabbit. Do you have sharp claws? Who said this? Hen to Ducky. I hope you are writing, children. Write down in your books. Then see exercise number C. Play with words. Find from the lesson and write the opposites of these words. Now some words are given. You have to write the opposites of these words. Big, little, up, down, stand, sit, weak, strong, short, tall, bad, good. Come to the D exercise. Find names of 8 animals in the word search. Now you can see there is a box given, and in this box you have to find the 8 animals' name. First one is given the example. First one is dolphin. Second one is also given cat. See the third one. Third one is in the third row. In the box, see the third row. Third one is given crow. C-R-O-W. I am repeating again. Mark this in your book. C-R-O-W. Write this crow in the third blank. Then see the fourth one. Fourth one is horse. See in the box second line from top till bottom. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Again I am repeating, horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Write horse in the fourth blank. Okay, now come to the fifth one. Fifth one is rabbit. Write rabbit in the box. See the first line. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Again I am repeating, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Write rabbit in the fifth blank. Then in the sixth blank, monkey. Come to the fourth line in the box. Fourth line, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. Okay. Now see the seventh word is toys. Seventh one is toys. Toys is given the last line. Fifth line. See in the box. Fifth line, last line. T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E, toys. Again I am repeating, T-O-R-T-O-I-S-E, toys. Write toys in the seventh blank. Now last word is duck. Last one is duck. See the 10th line in the same box from top. D-U-C-K, duck. Again I am repeating, D-U-C-K, duck. Circle this and write this in the blank, duck. Okay children, I hope you have done this. Now come to the page number 9. Spellings. E exercise. Fill in the correct letters to complete these words from the box. First one is done for you, branch. B-R-A-N-C-H, branch. Okay, I am repeating the spelling. B-R-A-N-C-H, branch. Now second word is scratch. S-C-R-A-T-C-H, scratch. See the second word, S-C-R-A-T-C-H, scratch. See the third word, short. S-H-O-R-T, short. Again I am repeating the spelling. Write down, S-H-O-R-T, short. Okay. Now fourth one, sharp. S-H-A-R-P, sharp. Fourth word is sharp. S-H-A-R-P, sharp. Now see the fifth word, claws. C-L-A-W-S, claws. See the fifth word, claws. C-L-A-W-S, claws. Now see the last word, sixth one, farm. See the sixth word, farm. F-A-R-M, farm. Again I am repeating, sixth word, F-A-R-M, farm. Okay. Now in the same page, come to the G exercise. Yes, G exercise. Match the words in the two columns to make sentences. Column A is given and column B is given. You have to match the words from column A to column B. First one is Ducky had flat feet. First one is done for you. Ducky had flat feet. Second, she wanted to hop. Second one is she wanted to hop. A1, like a rabbit. She wanted to hop like a rabbit. Third one is Ducky saw. Third one is a hen at the farm. Ducky saw a hen at the farm. I hope children you are doing with me. Okay. Now fourth one is Mama Duck was. Mama Duck was. Fourth one is swimming in the pond. Mama Duck was swimming in the pond. Okay. Now turn the page. Page number 10. See the writing part. Writing part K, exercise K. Write in the speech bubble one sentence about each animal. Choose words from the box. Now the box is given and some words are given. Now some sentences are also given with the picture. You see that and you have to write the correct words from the given box. First one is done for you. I am a duck, I can swim. See the picture of the duck is given. Second one is I am a peacock, I can dance. See the picture of peacock is given. I am a horse, I can gallop. Fourth one is I am a sparrow, I can fly. And the fifth one and last one, I am a snake, I can crawl. See the spellings from the box, children, and write. I am a snake, I can crawl. Okay, children, I will stop here and I will continue in the next video.